Hey guys, we're going to look at the other number family, another number family. All right, so we're going to be looking at the 50 number family. All right, so look right here. 50 is a 5 and a 0. There's a 5 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. All right, 50. So let's look at all of the numbers. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So let's go to the next page and look. When we say these numbers, we start by saying 50 and then the number that comes after. So when we see 50 with a 5 with a 0, we're going to just say the name 50. But when we get here, we're going to say 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Very good. So remember, when we see these numbers, we say 50 and then we just say 50 with a number behind it.